Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show how to knit an open work, spring-summer knitting pattern. Scarves, summer vests, and beach caps can all be made with this knitting pattern. We will knit in the same way on both sides. The difference is that we knit with the thin hook on the right side and with the tick on the wrong one. It has well-defined edge loops on each of its sides. You can learn how to make them from the video. Let's start with the thin hook on the right side. Slip the edge loop and make a yarn over loop. The repeat pattern is: knit 1 loop through the back and purl 1. Again. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit the edge loop together with the yarn over loop through the front. The next row is on the wrong side, we get the thick hook. Slip the edge loop and make a yarn over loop. The repeat pattern is: knit 1 loop through the back and purl 1. Again, knit 1, purl 1. Knit the last loop together with the yarn over loop through the front. The resulting edge is perfect for scarves. To obtain this open work design, you must knit loosely and with a thin thread. Today, in this video, I've demonstrated to you how to knit a thin, exquisite scarf that will both keep you warm and spice up your outfit today in preparation for spring and summer. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.